students. I hope you all had a enjoyable summer break. I'm Monica. Welcome you all to RKP online classes. So today we will be solving the practice assignment. So grammar section. So first question is, sort these nouns into countable or uncountable nouns. So pens, countable. Bread, uncountable. Grass, uncountable. Air, uncountable. Rice, uncountable. Flour, uncountable. Sea, countable. Milk, uncountable. Oil, uncountable. All the material nouns are uncountable. Sugar, uncountable. Eggs, countable. Soup, uncountable. Uncountable. Abstract nouns are also uncountable. Love, uncountable. Books, countable. Candies, countable. I hope it's clear. Now moving on to next one. Next question is, unjumble the sentences. So first one is, brush your teeth twice a day. Birds are flying in the sky. We should pray to God daily. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Fifth one is, Rohan is playing with the ball. Next is, I went to Shimla. And B part is, some words are given here, okay? You have to unscramble the words. So it will be glass, light, clock, happy. I hope it's clear. Next question is, write all the nouns in the house. So a noun house is given. You have to write all the nouns in the house. So first one is dog. It's a common noun. So you have to write this in the noun house. Jump, it's a verb, an action word. So no need to write this. Next is teacher. It's a common noun. So you have to write this in the house. Sunday, it's a noun. Apple, a noun. Flower, a noun. Little, it's an adjective. Okay, so don't write this. India, a noun. Pretty, an adjective. Big, an adjective. Silly, an adjective again. Kind is also an adjective. Kind means generous. Store, it's a name of a place, so it will be written in the house. So sing, a verb. Delhi, a noun. Sing a verb, so no need to write this. House, you have to write this. Girl, this is also a noun. Angry, adjective. Table, a noun. Old, an adjective. So you have to write these words in the house. Dog, teacher, Sunday, apple, flower, India, store, Delhi, house, girl, table. Okay? So all these words will be written in noun house. Now moving on to vocabulary part. Tricky words to spell. To, that is to refer direction or motion. To, that is also or a lot. By, besides or next to. Buy, to purchase something. Next is your, something belongs to you or it shows possession. You are, it's a contraction for you are. There shows possession and there a place. So there and your shows possession. Okay. Next is then, refers to a point in time, and then is used to compare two things. Okay? Compare two things. Fine? Next is word, past form of are, and this one is contraction for we are. Contraction for we are. I hope it's clear. Then a point in time. Then used to compare things. Word, past form of are, and we are contraction for we are. Clear? Next is compound words. So compound words are formed when two words are joined together and that new word has a different meaning. Like butter plus fly, these are two different words. So butter plus fly makes butterfly. Fire plus man, fireman. Pen plus cake, pancake. Camp plus fire, campfire. Snow plus man, snowman. Sea plus horse, seahorse. Light plus house, lighthouse. Jelly plus fish, jellyfish. So this was all about compound words. Here are some new words. Okay. First one is cheerful. That's an adjective. And what is an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. Means happy, glad. Next is scared, fearful, full of fear. This is also an adjective. So adjective is a describing word. Next is midst, noun, naming word. In the middle of. Certain, an adjective. Sure, clear. Swiftly means quickly. This is an adverb. And what is an adverb? An action describing word. Usually, again an adverb, means mostly, and grumble means complain. It's a verb. So verb is an action word. And adverb, an action describing word. Okay, so this was all about grammar and vocabulary section. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Take care.